In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print voucher checks in QuickBooks Online. If you need to print checks for expenses or bills you've already entered, QuickBooks Online makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to select the checks you want, choose the correct print style, and make sure your check stock is loaded properly before printing. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and going to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Plus New button, which is usually located near the top of the screen. Click that and then choose Print Checks. This takes you to the check printing window where QuickBooks gathers checks that are ready to be printed. Once you're on that page, find the bank account drop-down and select your checking account. This is important because QuickBooks organizes checks by account, so choosing the right one ensures you're printing from the correct register. After that, you'll see a list of available checks waiting to be printed. Go through the list and check the boxes next to the checks you want to print. Take a moment here to verify that you're selecting the correct transactions. It's always a good idea to quickly review the amounts and payees on screen before moving forward, especially if you're printing multiple checks in one batch. Next, look for the check style option and choose Voucher. This step matters because voucher checks include additional details that are useful for record keeping and are often preferred for business payments. Make sure the physical check stock you're using matches the voucher format you've selected in QuickBooks. Using the wrong stock style can cause alignment issues or print information in the wrong place. Before you print, load your check stock into the printer. Be sure it's inserted in the correct orientation based on your printer model. If you're not completely sure how your printer feeds checks, doing a quick test with blank paper first can help avoid wasting official check stock. When everything is ready, click Preview and Print. The preview screen gives you a final chance to confirm that the checks look correct before sending them to the printer. Review the layout carefully, and if everything appears aligned and accurate, go ahead and print. That's all it takes to print voucher checks in QuickBooks Online. Once you've done it once or twice, the process becomes very quick and routine.